Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create dry soil texture background in Adobe Photoshop. A253 G217 B75. Go to Edit menu and Fill. Shift F5. Use foreground color. Go to Filter menu and Render and Clouds. Again go to Filter menu and Noise and add noise. Amount 30.68. Distribution uniform. Again go to Filter menu and Oil Paint. Stylization 0.1. Cleanliness 10. Scale 10. Bristol detail 10. Angular direction 360. Shine 10. Finally your dry soil texture is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create dry soil texture background design in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.